Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix battery drain on Motorola Razr 60. First go into settings, then find the battery. In here, enable the standard battery saver and you can also schedule it. Then go into charge protection and enable overcharge protection. Then into display, lower the brightness or use adaptive brightness and enable dark theme. Also shorten the screen timeout to around 1 minute. Scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example Wi-Fi, mobile data, or Bluetooth. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.